Good morning, class, and welcome to the final day of your Still Life unit. This video will discuss today's task list and the assignments that need to be completed. So we're only doing two things today, but they are the most important assignments in the unit, is that you are submitting your final project for 100 points, which I'm highlighting right here. And then you are also completing your Still Life learning log, which is basically a final assessment, a written assignment that shows your understanding beyond just the lesson production to see what you've really taken away from it, and that's worth 28 points. So you want to make sure you first submit your final project to the Still Life final project assignment. Please submit it here and post a photo, and don't email it to me. Please submit it here. You may email it to me if you absolutely have to, but you should be submitting it here otherwise. It actually makes it a lot easier on you and me, and emailing it to me can actually sometimes cause some issues with your grades. I don't want to get into all that, but essentially this is the best place to submit it, so please do it there. And if you're watching this video and you have already completed your assignment early, just please keep completing a free drawing assignment for your daily progress each day so that you can still get your daily progress points. Otherwise, you can just ignore that. But if you are watching this video and you're not done early and you're not going to be finished today, basically going to be finished late, please don't panic or be upset. I do not give late deductions for assignments. You can always submit them late. But please, no matter what, submit a photo of your work today, whether you're done or not, so that I can at least give you points in the assignment so you can see how you're doing thus far. And then you can always finish the assignment and resubmit it as many times as you want to get the additional points you may not have earned. I just don't want people to fall behind with the class because we are moving forward next class with a brand new unit, and it's very difficult to juggle two projects instead of just the one. So please, if you're not done today, just get it done as soon as possible and resubmit it. But submit a photo of what you have today so you can get points. All right, and then lastly, you're just going to complete your Still Life learning log. Your Still Life learning log is composed up of three sections. First, you have a vocabulary section. And for your vocabulary section, if you read the helpful tip at the bottom, it says you can use the vocabulary answers PDF. This is an open note quiz, and these are your notes right at the bottom of your page. This will help you with the vocabulary section of the learning log. So everyone should be getting 100%. Please, I would still even use this, maybe even have it side by side, just even double check your answers. Even if you have a lot of pride and you want to see if you can get the answers on your own, get them correctly on your own first, you can, but then at least double check with the notes here to make sure you got them right, because I want you all to get 100% on that section. And then secondly, the second section is your artist statement, and then third is your essential question, which is the question we've been asking or discussing above here. So for both sections, the artist statement and the essential question, please write as much as you can to show a thoughtful reflection on the question. There is no sentence limit or requirement, and you can answer each question with one solid sentence, but every detail would need to be in that sentence. But if you can write two sentences, you can write three, please do. Please don't leave anything on the table or anything unwritten that could be written, because the more you write, the better. The stronger your response and reflection is, the better. I'm not asking for a whole paragraph or a page or a book, but just a thoughtful response that's not just two words or a fragmented sentence. Make sure it's a full, complete sentence or more that just shows a full, detailed understanding of each question. So the more you write, the better. That is everything for this video for your daily overview. Just please make sure you submit your final project to the assignment, complete your learning log, and that's it. There's no daily progress of student photos other than just your final project. And then we will start a brand new unit next class. And I look forward to starting that with you. I look forward to seeing how your still lifes literally came to life and became three-dimensional with your use of value. And I hope you guys all have a great class, and please message me if you have any questions at all. All right, guys, have a great class. Talk to you soon.